Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 9th of December. I'm James Spann. Rain, cold tomorrow, maybe a few snowflakes over the Tennessee Valley tomorrow evening. Will that create any impact? Let's take a look at things. We'll start with the upper air look across the country, as we often do this afternoon. You can see troughing digging down across the northern states. In advance of that cold front, we have a mostly cloudy sky. Got a few breaks in the overcast, but it's generally cloudy. And as expected, it feels pretty good. Tuscaloosa, 70. Montgomery, 74. It's 70 in Anniston, but tomorrow, temperatures go the wrong way. By afternoon, we'll be in the 40s with a biting north wind. You can see that cold front coming through St. Louis and Fayetteville, Arkansas. Tulsa, Oklahoma, down to 42. And back of the core of the cold air, it's just brutal. Temperatures are below zero at midday, with wind chill indices down to 10, 20 below zero. And thankfully, the core of this cold air stays north of us, but tomorrow by afternoon will be a very cold, blustery, wet day here. There's the watch warning map. We have a wind advisory for the Tennessee Valley, and up north, winter weather advisories for much of Wisconsin, and that's about it. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. There could be some thunder tonight in advance of that front after midnight over the northern half of the state, but no severe weather expected. Then tomorrow, maybe some thunder for the southern half of the state. But again, it's not a severe weather setup. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, maybe some thunder for the Florida Peninsula, but no severe weather expected this week across the country. This is the precipitation for the next 7 days. In Alabama, rain amounts around 1 inch for most spots, and this is valid through Monday of next week. We'll have the rain tomorrow to deal with. Another rain event most likely at the end of this week. And snow for the next 64 hours coming from the NDFD. This is from the National Weather Service forecast offices. You can see some scattered snow up north. And, of course, of interest to us, the gray shades over parts of the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama, North Mississippi up into Tennessee. And that's where there could be some light accumulation, could be tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, but this is not a major winter storm situation. So let's go through the modeling here. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. Got troughing developing down into the eastern half of the country, and down below that, it's going to be just a wet, miserable day. Rain becoming widespread for Alabama. This is at 3 o'clock. 1030 millibar high. That represents the center of the cold air mass. And back in the northern flank of the precipitation shield, snow is likely from Little Rock over to Nashville and back up into West Virginia, up toward Pittsburgh. And in the first issue, it's the cold air coming in here. Again, look at this. This is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll be close to 60. In fact, Anniston, maybe Brent, Alexander City, mid to upper 60s. It will be mild. But watch what happens by noon. Temperatures drop like a rock. Birmingham at 49, then by 6 o'clock, Birmingham at 40, 30s over the Tennessee Valley. So that's one issue tomorrow. Temperatures going the wrong way. Temperatures falling into the 40s and 30s with a biting north wind with the rain. And the other issue, it's the potential for maybe a few snowflakes before this thing winds down over Tennessee and extreme North Alabama. This is the high-res NAM. And understand, these things are never perfect. It's just a guideline. This is 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. This is midnight tomorrow night. And on the back edge of that, there could be some snow. And then by Wednesday morning at 6 a.m., the showers are down across the central and southern part of the state. And by noon on Wednesday, the northern two-thirds of the state dry, maybe a few showers down in extreme South Alabama. So this is the SHREF, the Plume viewer, short-range ensemble forecast for Huntsville. And you can see some of the members are over 1 inch. Some of the members show absolutely nothing. The mean, which is that black line, about a quarter inch. And understand some of this will melt because the ground is so warm. So there could be some light accumulation over the Tennessee Valley tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. I just don't think there's a lot of impact. Everybody's going to be buzzing about it, but again, the overall threat level looks awfully low at this point for an impact-type event. So this is the synoptic scale look on Wednesday. For the northern half of the state, the day should be dry. We might see some sun by afternoon with clearing. The high should be in the 50s. This is Thursday. Clouds will probably increase, and there might be a few showers over east or southeast Alabama, but I think a decent chunk of the day will be dry with highs in the 50s. And then Friday, a wave comes out of the Gulf with rain. And the GFS continues to suggest the better chance of rain would be on the eastern side of the state. This is the European. It's wetter statewide. We'll mention a chance of rain statewide on Friday with highs in the 50s, no severe weather, a stable air mass. And this is Saturday. The trough comes through, and underneath the upper trough, there could be some patchy light rain, but I don't think it rains a lot. Certainly wouldn't call it a rainy day. The sky mostly cloudy. And not bad. The high should be around 60 if you're planning your weekend here. And then this is Sunday. The day should be dry with potential for mid-60s with a partly sunny sky or a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Here's a week from today, Monday the 16th. Troughing to the west, upper high off to the east, and rain beginning to creep in here. So it looks like rain comes back early next week, maybe late Monday night, or Tuesday. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 19th. It's a zonal flow, and that's a dry air mass, cool and dry. This is the rain for the next 15 days for Birmingham off the European Ensemble. The mean getting up there toward 4 inches, looking pretty wet. And the numbers, generally speaking, and this runs all the way through Christmas Eve, temperatures a little below average, highs on many days in the low to mid-50s with lows many mornings in the 30s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.